Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. You can see my apron is on. Today I'm going to share another dinner idea, a different dinner. We're going to make dandan noodles, pan-fried dumplings, and also egg drop soup. Let's cook. Also, we're going to make three things for the dinner, but the ingredients are very simple. I need green onions, garlic, tomatoes, and egg. Just need one egg, and I have a piece of pork. First, we're going to pan fry the dumplings. I made it over the weekend and I froze them. So we just add a little bit oil. And do not defrost them. I just took them out of the freezer. Just make sure they coat with oil at the bottom. And I'm gonna make how many? 9? 9 is good. Now we're going to add some water. Just halfway to the dumplings, like that. Then cover it. We cook till water almost out. Now let me prepare other stuff. On the other side, I'm also boiling water for the noodles. For egg drop soup, I have 2 plum tomatoes. Just cut into dices. And we need some green onions. For both soup and our noodles. And then we just chop the green onions. I also need the 2 cloves garlic to put in the dandan noodle topping. Okay, next I'm going to chop up the pork. You guys know I'm a chicken lover, but authentically this is made of pork. So I have a piece of pork. Chop this up. Okay, I'm done with the chopping. And next we're going to make the soup. I just need 1 egg. Looks like water almost evaporates. Let's open it. Now wait till all the water dries out, and our dumplings will be ready. Now our dumplings are ready. Look at the bottom. Isn't it beautiful? Next we're gonna make a soup. I'm heating up the pan to medium. Add some oil. Now we add our tomatoes. Add a little bit salt so we can draw the juice out. Cook about a minute. After about a minute, you can see our tomatoes getting tender. Now we add about 2 cups of either chicken stock. If you don't have it, add water. bring this to boil. Now soup is boiling. We let it cook about another 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, let's season the soup with a little bit salt and white pepper powder. Let me just have a quick taste. Perfect. Now we turn the heat to low. Actually, you can just turn off. So I'm turned low. Now we're going to add the eggs. So add the eggs one direction while stirring. You can stir with your spoon. And then we garnish with green onions. Our egg drop soup is ready. Next, I'm going to make the noodle topping and the noodles. Before I make the topping, let me cook the noodles. I'm going to use dry noodles. If you have a fresh noodle, even better. These are dry noodles made of wheat flour. So this will take about 6 to 7 minutes. Now let's make the topping. For the topping, we add some oil, a little bit of oil. We're going to brown the meat till it's golden brown. Now our pork is brown. We just add a little bit cooking wine, Shaoxing cooking wine. It's going to remove the porky taste and also will add a flavor. But if you don't have cooking wine, just skip this. And I'm going to add my minced garlic. Normally you put a raw garlic in the noodle sauce, but I don't normally eat raw garlic. I know most of you guys don't eat the raw, so I just add into the topping. And we're going to add our yacai. So this is the key to dandan noodles. The Yibin yacai from Sichuan. It's actually preserved mustard greens. I need a little bit more. You notice I didn't add the salt to the meat because this yacai has salt. And the topping is ready. Let me check on the noodles. There's the noodles up there. Just add a little bit of cold water so they're not sticky together. When it boils again, our noodles are ready. Before that, let's make our noodle sauce. For the sauce, we add some Sichuan pepper powder to your own liking and homemade chili oil. Depends on how spicy you like it. And soy sauce. And some green onions. Yeah, that's our sauce. And our noodles ready. Getting our noodles out. Cannot wait. Now we top with pork topping, pork and the yatai. And add more green onions on top. And that's our dandan noodles. I almost forgot my spinach. I just need a few leaves. Always good to have some green, right? Just put over our noodles. Now we're ready. So for the dumplings, I'm going to make dipping sauce with light soy sauce and dark vinegar. If you don't want the raw garlic, you can add garlic and my chili oil. Some green onions. Does my dinner look great? Here's the egg drop soup. Here's our dumplings. They are vegetable dumplings. And I also have chicken shrimp dumplings you can make. And here's our dandan noodles. Let me start with the soup. So simple, right? And nutritious. Did you ever make an egg drop soup? Please leave me a comment below. Let me know. I also have a recipe. I'm gonna list all the recipes in the description box. What's next? Noodles. Need a little bit of soy sauce. Wow, delicious. This is one of my favorite noodles, dandan noodles. And it's supposed to be dry. So it used to be like a vendor selling on the street. They carry out the noodle bowls. So you don't want any sauce there, right? Or liquid. So this is dry, it's spicy, numb. The yatai, preserved vegetable, is so unique. Wow, I can eat this every day. Did you ever try dandan noodles? I also have a recipe for it. So good. Next, let's try the dumplings. This is my vegetable dumplings. Cheers. Crispy. Of course, the filling is perfect for me with all the vegetables. I also have a recipe for this. I actually made it recently, right? If you guys ever tried,
I actually steamed for the recipe. You can also pan fry like this. Delicious dinner. Also very simple, right? I made the dumplings over the weekend and froze them. So this way during weekdays it's much easier. Just pan fry them, steam them, make a soup, make a noodle dish, or you want to make a rice dish. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.